How to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. Now, if you want to backup or restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone, it's actually quite very simple, because on iPhone the only way that it works is by using an Apple ID. So all we have to do is simply go ahead and launch WhatsApp. Once we launch WhatsApp, we're going to simply go to settings. Once we go to settings, here you'll find an option called chats. So we'll simply go to chats, and here you can see chat backup. So just backup all of the chats to a certain account. Now here you can see last backup. I can tap on backup now. I'll be able to back them up to my Apple ID, but not on Google Drive, right? So it doesn't work. Now to restore it, next time whenever you're trying to log in, as long as you are logged in on with your Apple ID on the new iPhone, then it will ask you to restore it if you have got a certain backup on that same phone number. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then backup and restore chats on WhatsApp. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.